Hi everyone, welcome back to Rooted in Design. Today I really want to dive into what you can look for in your home when you're looking for a new property. And this is more in the realm of maybe you don't want to do a major renovation right away, but you want to find something that really works for you from the get-go. And this is all in an architect's perspective. I definitely think it's important to look for a property that has enough square footage in the lot for your needs. So if you have kids or you love being outdoors, you definitely want to get a lot that is bigger and has a bigger backyard. So there's potential in the future for you to add to it, but also be able to experience the space catering to your needs and your activities. Another thing would be is where are you in life? If you have family that are going to be coming to visit, like your grandparents, and they can't really go up the stairs, you're definitely going to want to look for a home that has a bedroom on the first floor, that has the potential of adding a ramp, so it can be accessible as they get older, as well as for you. And if you have younger kids, you want to make sure there's enough space for them to roam around and create safety for sight lines for you to watch them. And that is when we come into that open concept idea. You want to make sure if you're cooking, you can watch them when they're in the living room, or if it's a family room in between, things like that. And other things that I really think are important is the general style and layout. If you love the older homes and how they have those little nuances and details in the craftsmanship, then make sure that it can accommodate you for what you need, especially if you want a lot of storage. Those homes tend to have very small closets and not many much locations to be able to add storage. So maybe looking into turning the basement into that storage location for you, a pantry, winter clothing, etc. If you're looking for a more modern home or new development, know that developers nowadays are still sticking to more of an older style and layout. So you won't find certain things that you might want, but there is the potential of opening things up. Even though it's new construction, don't be afraid to potentially modify it to your needs. Sometimes you might want to look for a property that is still in mid-construction in the development, and then you have more say in how it gets finished. Also, other things that really are important are the community. If you have kids, you want to make sure it's a good school district, you have parks nearby. Are there a lot of kids in that neighborhood? What is the pedestrian experience? Is it walkable? While other people prefer that, there are people who like that city-like living and living closer to a downtown and being able to walk to the main street of that town. So that also is important. At the end of the day, you need to create your needs list and then your wants and compromise on the wants a little bit, knowing that you can potentially get them down the line just so you have all the needs that you need in that first purchase moment. Hope this was helpful, and thank you for joining. Are you a homeowner who is looking to expand your home so you have enough space for everything you need in your home? Or do you want to renovate because the interior just doesn't work for your needs anymore? Or are you someone who's looking for a property, but nothing that you've been looking at really fits what you need? Well, my name is Katherine Serrano Sosa. I'm the founder of Rooted Architecture Studio, and I can help you bring those renovations and adjustments to life. At Rooted Architecture Studio, we focus on creating meaningful, inclusive, client-centric designs for homeowners and investors. We walk you through the whole process of design and construction and making sure that you understand what's going on, but take away all the layers so you can sit back and just focus on the deliverables of what we're designing. We make sure that your non-negotiables are integrated and your wants and needs are integrated to the best of our abilities. So if you are looking to do anything that I just discussed, or just have ideas that you might want to talk about what the possibilities may be, give us a call and reach out through social media as well, and we'll be happy to help you. And if you're looking for a new property, make sure to connect with Dream Select Realty. They're the right people to help you find the right property for you and make sure that your needs are integrated Or if we're renovating, we can all collaborate together to bring that vision to life.